editing app to do it. But don't forget to like and give me a follow.
So to do this, you need 2 clips. So first, you record a video of yourself like this, with your hands raised. Then secondly, you record a video of the sky, like this. Now let's send both video to our editing app. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use the InShot app to edit our video. You can also use CapCut to edit it. Now when we open the InShot app, then click on video, then tap on new. Now we select the video that we recorded, and here is it. Now we still bring in the second video that we recorded, which is the sky. So we click on the plus sign, then tap on video, then we select it, and we added it. So these are the 2 videos that we recorded, and this is how we are going to edit it. So first of all, you play the video until you get to the point where we started raising our hand, and here is it. Now when you get to this point, you hold on, then we scroll to the right side, then we look for freeze. Now when you click on freeze, here it becomes like a picture. Where it has been highlighted, it becomes like a picture. Now, so this implies that we just click on this one to delete it, because we are not going to use it. Then also click on this side to delete it, leaving the freezing part. Now for our second clip, we also play until we get to a point where we started recording the sky. So the sky, we started recording it from here, from the ground. So the next one is to click on this one. Then we scroll until we see switch, then we click on it. So this time around, the first clip has been on top of the second clip. Now the next point is to tap on this edge and then click on video end, or if you like, you can hold it and then drag it to the end of the second clip, like this. Now our next step is to still tap on the first clip, and then we look for cutouts to remove the background. Now here is it. So we click on it, and then go ahead to click on cutout, and now you realize that the background has been removed. Then you click on the mark, and now here is it. So this is our video. And that's it. So this time around, in order to make it more engaging or more realistic, now we click on the first clip, and then we are going to apply the keyframe to make it more realistic. So first of all, you click on the keyframe, then you shift the first clip a little bit, then click on it again. So this time around, you click on the picture or the photo to raise it a bit, whilst you'll be shifting the first clip, and then you'll be tapping the keyframe. As you tap it, then be shifting the picture too. So you do this until you get to the end of the video. So now this is our video. So the next thing is to go to TikTok or YouTube to find any appropriate sound effect or any sound that will be suitable to this video. So this is the sound that I used. So you can also go to TikTok or YouTube to download your preferred sound. Now don't forget to like, share and follow for more tips. See you in my next video.